Hello? Is this the phone of Clement Lambert?
Yes? Who are you?
This is Mo. We talked a few days ago and I only have a few minutes to talk with you.
Okay, continue. I recorded.
My name is Mo. I'm 23 years old. 14 days ago, I was at home in Aleppo, Syria. It was once beautiful, but it was recently destroyed by a terrible war. I have a family, or I had one. I was separated from them when they decided to flee the country, my brother-in-law, while I stayed there, alone. I find myself today in a rubber boat. The conditions are not good. There are life jackets for those who could afford them. We're about 50 people on the boat, including 3 babies. The sea is rough today. Everyone is scared. But I cannot be like the others. I gave up everything to get where I am, to see my family again. My journey was hard to arrive where I am now. I left Aleppo 2 weeks ago with my friend of mine, Humam. We decided to get to a port in Turkey and buy a place on a boat to Greece. But first, we had to actually get there. We had some money in our pockets, a car, but more importantly, we had hope. Hope to see our beloved again. First, we had to cross the border. Because they didn't accept Syrians to cross the border, we had to pay them 5,000 worth of US dollars. After that, we took my car to get Izmir in Turkey, and the trip lasted several hours until the car broke down. I never expected it to work all the way from Aleppo to Izmir, but I wasn't supposed to stop working halfway through at Banaz. We waited a few hours for someone to pick us up on a truck and stopped and asked us if we needed to ride to the docks. He said it would only cost us $40 for both of us, so we accepted the offer. It took us 3 hours, but we finally made it there. The docks were packed, and we tried to find someone that would take us to Greece. We heard of some people that could make us pass the Mediterranean Sea for cheap. We met one of them in a mosque, and he told us it would cost us $2,300 for each one of us. We had to wait a night for the weather to get better, so we slept in a hotel. The day after, we got to the docks and the weather seemed better this time. There were so many people that I lost sight of Humam and just got on board of this boat. I didn't even have time to check if he was there. The boat just left, and here I am, in the middle of the sea, alone.
In the first 5 months of the last year, 200,500 migrants reached Europe via the Mediterranean Sea, but 2,512 of them died.
J'habite à Paris depuis plusieurs années. Tous les matins et soirs en rentrant du travail, je vois des SDF dans la rue et des gens qui passent sans leur dire bonjour ou leur donner une pièce. Cela m'attriste énormément. Voici la raison pour laquelle j'ai décidé de filmer un documentaire pour vous montrer leur réelle situation. Bonjour monsieur,
Bonjour madame.
est-ce que je peux vous poser quelques questions?
Oui, bien sûr.
Est-ce que vous voyez souvent des SDF dans la rue? Est-ce que vous leur donnez de l'argent ou à manger?
Oui, je me vois souvent, mais je ne les donne pas toujours de l'argent. Il y en a trop, malheureusement.
Ah d'accord. Est-ce que vous leur donnez de l'importance en leur disant bonjour par exemple?
Pas tellement. Je ne veux pas les déranger. Souvent, ils sont roulés dans leurs sacs de couchage ou couverture.
Vous voyez monsieur, beaucoup de personnes ont la même mentalité que vous. Venez écouter ça. Bonjour monsieur, est-ce qu'on peut vous poser quelques questions?
Yes,
Quel âge avez-vous?
31.
Depuis combien de temps êtes-vous sans abri?
About 7 months.
Avez-vous été aidé par des associations?
Yes, about a few months ago, I stayed in a shelter for 3 nights and I got to eat and wash myself.
Et vous êtes plutôt sans abri ou sans domicile fixe?
And I normally sleep on the road in my sleeping bag, or I sleep under a bridge or in a tunnel when it rains.
Est-ce que je peux vous demander pourquoi vous êtes sans abri?
I was a mechanic in a Peugeot factory, and I did the outside of cars, and they had financial problems, so they kicked me out. And since then, I've been living on the road.
D'accord, merci beaucoup monsieur. Alors monsieur, qu'est-ce que vous en pensez?
Je ne pensais pas que c'est dur.
Et vous avez commencé à les aider plus?
Oui, bien sûr.
Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. Home, a place where I can go to take this off my shoulders. Someone take me home. Someone take me home. Through the struggle just to let her.
What is home to you?
I guess where my family is, where your families and friends are, and where you feel safe. Home is where my family is. I don't know.
Home is where family is, you know, where the heart is.
It's like where I sleep.
It's where I relax, play PlayStation. Home's